Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Ivan Garcia. I am a student of English Phonetic 1 in the University of El Salvador. And this video is for the task video presentation about Schwa. The topic is the lazy sound. The lazy sound or Schwa. The Schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English. It comes from Hebrew and it is represented by an E in the phonetic alphabet, and we usually refer it like a E, too lazy to sit up. The Schwa symbol. The Schwa sound is represented by a symbol that looks like an upside down E, or as I said before, by an E too lazy to sit up. How to pronounce the Schwa sound? The Schwa sound is the easiest sound in English because we only need to relax our mouth, our lips, our tongue, and our jaw. It sounds like a short O, maybe something like or a short U, where the sound is in the vowel chord. As we can say in this image, the vowel sound Schwa is just in the middle of the vowel chord, so our mouth is semi-open. 5 facts about Schwa. 1. The Schwa sound comes from Hebrew, that is an ancient language. Its meaning is emptiness or no vowel sound. 2. The Schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English. At least one of 3 words in the language has a Schwa sound. 3. It only appears on unstressed syllables, and it can be spelled with any vowel letter. 4. If you think of any word with 3 or more syllables, you'll probably find a Schwa in it somewhere amazing. And 5. Schwa is the only phoneme with its own name. Some Schwa examples. 1. Balloon. In this word, we can find the Schwa in the letter A. 2. Problem. In this word, we can find the Schwa in the letter E. 3. Family. In this case, we can find the Schwa in the letter I. 4. Button. In this case, we can find the Schwa in the letter O. 5. Support. In this case, we can find the Schwa in the letter U. And finally, we have the example number 6, analysis. In this case, we can see that the Schwa, it can appear and it can be spelled in the semi-vowel Y. For the information, the Schwa sound can change. It depends on the place. For example, in Australia, this sound is more open, and it happens the same in England and other English speaker countries. And this is my video presentation about the lazy sound Schwa. Have a good one and see you soon.